الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Ameen. Welcome in. MashaAllah. Subhanallah. Subhanallah. Takbir. Allahu Akbar. Takbir. Allahu Akbar. MashaAllah. Subhanallah. Share the live stream. Tell your friends to come say hi. You're welcome. And walaikum assalam, my friends. Danny says, no frills, no mercy. Good afternoon to you. And Muskan Zaheen, make friends with everyone. Frilly, make friends with Muskan Zaheen. 10,000.7 subscribers is in the building. 10,000.7 subscribers. Super chat up the place. Today's the super chat. Today's the super chat. Let me do another surah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kulu Allahu ahad. Allahu samad. Lam yulid wa lam yulad. Wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kulu rabbin nas. Imalikin nas. Min sharril waswasi fikin nas. Min al jannatin nas. Muskan, if the subscribers and I have made them moderator, it's because they are supportive channels. They come support as long as you acknowledge them. Yeah. Mashallah, mashallah. It's amazing. Sama Kind Girl's not here yet. She'll be here. She will be here. I count on my Salmi. Guys, what's 8 times 0? Let's not distract puppy mommy. What is 8 times 0, my friends? Muskan said it's 8. And Grimace said it's 0. Who is the right answer? Muskan is like good. Muskan, where are you coming to us from, my friend? I want to rate which country. What country? Double tap your screen if you're a moderator. Grimace says I think it's 0. Okay, Grimace. You were correct. Oh, you're coming from Pakistan. Nice, nice. Tell us a little bit about Pakistan. Tell us a little bit about Pakistan. Oh, this one's a hard one. What's 5 times 1? We did 10 times 1 is 10. 7 times 1 is 7. 6 times 1 is 6. What do you think 5 times 1 is? We're getting good at the one-time table, guys. We're getting good at it. It's okay if you don't get it. Try. Danny's like, Grimace. Grimace is like, this one's so easy. Okay, Grimace, I'm going to give you a hard one for real. Oh my gosh. Grimace, this one's going to be for you. This is a hard one. Smash the like button and share the live. Thank you, Muskan. What do you think 5 times 1 is? Smash the like button. Who's taking away likes? Don't be taking them away. Just be giving them to us. Everybody subscribe to everybody. Grimace says 5. Wait, I'm coming for you. You're dabbing? Are you dabbing? Are you dabbing right now? Are you dabbing? Are you dabbing right now? Are you dabbing? Dab, dab. Double tap your screen and like the live. So Muskan says 5. You think it's 5? 5 times 1 equals 5. Danny says, hi, Muskan. Muskan, you want a sticker? I feel like giving you one. Yeah, I feel like giving you one. You came in here like kind of like un turtle, you know? No, I'm going to save that one. Hold on. He's like, I'm going to do this one. I feel like we struck a pot of gold today when our friend Muskan came in. No, Frilla! Frilla's in the building! Frilla, that's how you do it, Frilla! That's what I mean. Frilla!